duke, mberede nyekwara duke. And the pani, man come to one polygamous man is given a tattoo, whose wife should become law. That is the two of our drama, tattoo the other room. Sit tight, I want to perform, may be blessed, thanks.
I want to welcome all of you to today's family meeting. The purpose of this meeting is to inform all of you that this year's Christmas celebration will be the best ever.
Chief, what happened? Did you get a new contract? Allow him to talk now. Please, our husband, what is it?
The Igwe have decided to give me a chieftaincy title.
Hey, Baba, congratulations.
That's wonderful. I will not be the new law. And I have decided to take this title with the cast. Never! I am your first one. How can you take a title to the second one? I will not accept this. Manika, how dare you challenge my authority? Do not forget I'm the man of the house. And what I said, go.
Please, both of you should calm down.
First for the pay, you are a snake in the green grass, husband snatcher. Manika, please tell me why you want to disgrace. You will not understand. If the cast handles you in the other room, your life will never relent itself. But you just lie down there like Dorothy. Papaluka, it doesn't really matter to you. So Papaluka, you are making her law. Just because of the other fool, shapeless man. He goes one bit like you. Aneka, be very careful with me. Do not forget I'm the man. And what I say, go.
Please let us calm down.
Aneka, I will report all to the women. It's what both of you in this house. I don't care. You can report to the woman now. I am the man. And what I say, go.
Please, my co-wife, it has not reached the one of what today.
Baraka, this will never happen in this house. This is my house. Nonsense. How come my man can challenge me? Rubbish. Papa, what you are doing to my mother is not good. It is not good. Da, who are you? Are you sure you are my son? I am everybody. Get out from here.
I'll send my own.
Get out.
I'll send my own.
Get out.
That are coming back from abroad. This is our annual home and abroad meeting. We are here and want to discuss on how to make our family good. Because when our family is good, our community is good.
Yes, sir.
I say.
Thank you, my president. I believe we the women should do more and call our men to order. Just last week, in Chimah, which is white, blue and black. Why? Because she not finished cooking on time. Look at her. I say.
Hey, child.
My fellow women, our men are taking too much. We have to do something about this before it is too late.
Yes, so.
I say. Man, you're not Toto.
This is unacceptable. The Igwe must hear this.
Yes, sir. I say. Thank you, my action president. I hear the complaint from Mrs. Uwakweni. In short, let my last say, Nnengwa. I say. My parents, when my husband decided to marry a second wife, I refused. I reported to this house. You all know me, say, man, as I accept my fourth wife.
Yes.
My parents, since my husband married this man, he has not eaten my food.
Hey!
How? Child, why him?
Onye kpọtakara chọọchị chụpụ ya ọ ga-atagbu ya igbore chụpụ ya onye kpọtakara chọọchị chụpụ ya ọ ga-atagbu ya igbore chụpụ ya
Of our land. He has done well, not only in our community, also in our business. Ndijem, is that not so? It is so. Wife, if there is no forgiveness, there is no sin. My wife, please, my love, please forgive me. Igwe, we have had you, but our problem has not finished. What is it again? Igwe, it's trying what to do here. You are about to honor. He's taking his chieftaincy title with his second wife, leaving the first wife of his youth. The worst is that he has even refused her food. Mr. Wachuku, hey! Why you refuse? Igwe, the truth is that she has too much such in her food. Hey! Then you have too much salt. Igwe, when I take her to the other room, she lied and tell and torat. Papa Mega, give me a give Bushimako, Mora. Who does that? If the cast handles you in the other room, your life will never remain the same. Let me amend my second wife. That will never happen. Papa Gosi, don't even try that one in my house. Igwe, can you hear her? Everybody should calm down. Our wife, he's a man. We cannot tell a man how to marry his own wife. As Nwachukwu, he can take the chieftaincy title with any wife of his choice. Mr. Nwachukwu, step forward. Look at them.
Look at them.
Look at what they are doing. Come on. From today, I got one here, Mr. Nwachukwu. Come on here, eat your kaka. Eat your kaka.
Look at them.
Kwakumenia, Elio. Kwakumenia, Elio. Kwakumenia, Elio. Thank you everybody for coming. Merry Christmas to you all. Let us eat and make a meal.